Hey, do you want to watch a movie this weekend?
Sure. What movie do you have in mind?
There's a new action movie playing at the mall.
Sounds good. Should we go on Saturday evening?
Perfect. I'll book the tickets online.
Great, see you then.
Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can I have one extra shot of espresso?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Is it far from here?
No, just about a 10-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Hi, Sarah. Have you finished the report?
Not yet. I'm still analyzing the data.
When do you think you can finish it?
I'll complete it by this afternoon.
Great. Please send it to me once it's ready.
Sure, I'll do that.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, we have a medium and a large.
I'll try the large one, please.
The fitting room is over there.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.